Hi everyone, and welcome back to Simply Chill. I'm going to use this glass house that I had at home to decorate for Christmas. I used a piece of cardboard as the base and glued artificial snow on top. I'll be using a few things that I had at home, like wine cork, trees, some mini animals, etc. I painted the wine corks grey and using them as pillars to raise the tracks a little higher up. I'm putting the things that I had in place, the mini cars, the trees, and made a little pond for the ducks. That was with a plastic lid and nail polish. There goes in the deers. And I made space for some people to sit on those benches. So finally, the train. With everything finally in place, I cut a winter scenery from a magazine and glued it behind. I also added an LED light behind to give it that wintry scenery. I added more snow inside. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.